I thought it was cool. It should be like a hybrid film, so like I was thinking, oh, that'd be cool if I ever did something like that one day.
Yeah. I mean, putting your own stories like out there for people to see is kind of really daring. But yeah, definitely. If I'm able to write something like that, I'd write it.
It's going to be you in the dark.
Frank Roselli for president. Sound just like me, you're all off key. You didn't take me seriously, did you?
She always said that he was unfaithful, but he never said that.
Oh, he never told you that?
Your father's living with a woman.
Brooklyn Roses is a film that I've been working on for quite some time. It's a film that covers my mother's and family's life in the 50s and 60s. And it's really about what we leave and what we keep in our lives from our childhood, and the relationship between mothers and daughters, and also really the historical oppression of women at that time in history. I would like younger women to understand what other women have gone through and why we did develop and have a women's movement.